Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends, and welcome to our channel TubeCore, and in this video we are going to learn how to make money online by watching videos. Okay, now in this video we will talk about how much you can earn, because you can probably earn somewhere around maybe $1 PayPal cash if you can accumulate 125 points, $2 PayPal cash if you accumulate 225, and maximum you can earn is like $25 PayPal cash if you can accumulate 2500 points by watching videos. Okay, so make sure you stick till the end to understand which website you need to go on to, where to sign up, how to start watching videos, and how to make money. Now this is TubeCore, and here on this channel we only talk about knowledge. Okay, so the disclaimer here for you is this channel is not about entertaining you. If you're looking for some entertainment videos, go watch some other funny videos and spend your time. This is about hardcore knowledge here, so if you don't pay attention you will never make money in your life. Okay, so here we do not show you funny clips and things like that. No other bullshit here, only straight to the point. And if you like it, stick till the end. If you don't like it, you can leave the video right now. Okay, because if you don't have patience, you will never make money online. So if you can't watch a 10 minutes long video, then you can't do anything in your life. All right, so let's start the video. And before that, there's one more secret here. Before you start making money online, you have to make sure you stop losing money online, because you go and watch other YouTube videos and those people are going to sell you some kind of make money software in the end of the video. So you will always find some cheap links in their description asking you to click on the link and then buy some coaching course, buy some training course, and that will make you rich. Okay, this is something everybody is doing, no matter if they are small YouTubers or big YouTubers. Everybody's trying to rip you off. So do not buy any make money online courses. As many courses you buy, you will get poor, you will get broke. Okay, so here we are not going to sell you anything. We'll tell you simple tricks. If they work for you, good. If they don't work for you, try something else. So here we only pass on knowledge to you. It's up to you how much you can grab the knowledge and if you can implement that practically or not. Okay, so let's start the video. And before we do that, make sure you subscribe to this channel TubeCore, because here we save you from losing money. Okay, other channels ask you to buy something from there. We don't do that. We don't ask you to buy any make money online offers. All right, but if something helps you, we will definitely recommend that. Now let's get back to this website. First of all, this is the website you have to go on to, and I will tell you the name of the website as well, the complete URL, by the end of the video, so make sure you stick till the end. Now once you go onto this home page here, you need to click on this option called sign up. Okay, now once you hit sign up, you need to put in your email address, choose a username, put in your password, and then put in your number. I think it's not mandatory, but you can type in a number if you want to, and then hit sign up. Okay, now once you're signed up, you will be logged into your account. It will look like this: your activity, rewards, referrals, and everything. This is my account. Now if you just go ahead and click here which says earn, right now you need to click on earn and then click on videos. Okay, now you come to the section in the dashboard which shows videos, and here you will have a lot of categories as well. So as you can see here at the top, it shows food videos, sweets videos, music videos, celebrity videos, viral videos, and if you click on this arrow, you will see more categories. Okay, so let's say if you can choose here which video you want to see. So let's go to for viral video. Once you click on viral, this is the point section. So it says here, watch awesome pop joy lol viral some blah blah blah, and you can redeem your points 5x every 24 hours. Okay, so you click on this plus 0.7 and it will open a new window. Now here you will have to wait for a video to appear, and do not show this again. Got it? Okay, now it shows Thomas and Friends, spooky whatever, windmill. Now it's asking you to log in here to collect your points, because this video is being shown. Let me mute the sound. Okay, I have paused the video for now, but yes, let me mute the sound and then talk again. Now, this video is playing, and then at the bottom, you saw that they were asking you to sign up. So you will have to sign up to this website as well, right here, to collect those points. And once you sign up, then you watch the video, and once you have finished watching the video, you come back to your dashboard here, and you will see some points in your account dashboard here. And as soon you have enough points, like 1,000 points or 1,200 points, then you can actually redeem them in PayPal Cash. Now, how do you do that? You click on this option at the top called redeem, and once you hit redeem, you can choose PayPal. Right now, you don't have to choose PayPal if you don't want cash. You can choose whatever option is available in your country. If you have any Amazon gift card, you can choose Amazon. If you can choose lifestyle, if you want to choose an Uber coupon. So it depends on which country you're from, and accordingly you will have the options to redeem. And most popular option is PayPal Cash, right? So let's say you have 12,000 points or maybe 1,000 points in your dashboard after watching the videos. Then you click on PayPal here, and then you can choose which one, how many points you have to cash in. So let's say you have 1,000 points to cash in. That means you will get $10 of cash. Okay, so you simply click on redeem now, and your points will be redeemed, and it will be sent to your PayPal email address. No dramas, it's totally legit, and you have to just go ahead and click on earn, and then click on videos, and then watch these videos, sign up for the account, and make sure you watch enough videos. Now, this is only a part-time thing, because we have to be realistic here as well, because this technique, such websites, you go on to, you register, and you watch videos. You watch videos 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, but eventually this becomes monotonous. That means you get bored, right? So this is not something everybody can do every day in long term. So you might get bored, you might get frustrated. So you will have to motivate yourself, because this is only a few bucks, right? You have to put in a lot of watch hours. You have to put in a lot of hard work to do this, and it's gonna make you maybe 30 bucks, 40 bucks. It depends which country you're from. If you're from America, you might not want to do this, because this will take a lot of time from you. And if you do an offline job, you may earn more than this. But if you're from a different country where dollar is a big thing for you, then you can definitely spend some time, maybe a couple of hours on this website every day, and then you can collect enough points to earn money online, right? So it totally depends what is your earning potential, what is your lifestyle, what is your living status. If you are not looking to get rich, then you can earn maybe $100 to $200, maybe $300 per month from this website. If that is good enough for you, then you can definitely look into this website. If you think it's only it's not gonna worth of your time, then simply there are other ways you can make money online. And I'm talking about the most common ways these days in 2021 to make money online. And one of the top best way to make money online is creating or making YouTube videos and earn money with YouTube revenue and with affiliate marketing. Okay, so now today I will not teach you how to make YouTube videos. I will launch a course when I reach to 10,000 subscribers. So I'll launch a YouTube course, how to make money online on YouTube by making YouTube videos. That will be a live course, which means I'll be talking to people, but that's something which will happen in next 3-4 months once I reach to 10k subscribers. And the second most common way, or the best way to earn money online is by writing reviews, writing blogs, and having your own website. Now, for those people who are not able to talk in front of the camera, or they are not good in speaking, they don't have speaking skills, they can't speak to an audience. So for those people, you can work in the background. You can write reviews on the website, on your blog. You can review some digital product. You can review some physical products. So you can review Warrior Plus products, ZVZ products. You can review some mobile phones, whatever. And you can do the SEO for your blog, for your website, and then get traffic from your Google search, or run some paid ads using Google Ads and Bing Ads, right? This is how you can earn money in 2021. Best way is YouTube. Second is your blog channel or your website. Now what you will find in the description below is you will find a link in the description which actually gives you unlimited hosting. So for example, if I click on this link here, now this link is going to open this website called livesuite.com. Now this is going to give you unlimited hosting for your blogs, for your website, because if you're a newbie, you do not have enough money to spend, what you can do is you can go ahead and buy this unlimited hosting in just one-time cost, and this will save you a lot of money, because if you go with GoDaddy or Bluehost or DreamHost, you will end up paying them every month, right? So here you get unlimited hosting, file storage, autoresponder, funnel builder, webinar creation, everything in just one-time cost. So make sure if if you want to run your own website, or you already have a website and you're paying monthly, so you can switch to unlimited hosting in just one-time cost, and that is how you can save a lot of money in the coming future. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and the website name for this particular video which you want to earn, it's called earnably.com. so you can go on to Google and you can type in EARNABLY, earnably.com. This is the website you can go on to register for your account, click on earn and watch videos. That's how you can earn money by watching videos, and you can make some money in part-time. Okay, and if you need to open a website and get unlimited hosting, you can check out the link in the description below, and that is how you can save a lot of money. So this is how you earn money watching videos. We'll end this video for now. Subscribe to the channel and like this video, and we'll see you in the next video shortly.